Okay, good afternoon, boys and girls, and poke fans of all ages. This is a sort of a short follow-up video to the Cynthia's Garchomp EX premium pack. This time we're taking a look and assembling the acrylic standee sheet that comes with it. Now, first things first, there's like a plastic wrap on the back of it that needs to get removed. It's all sticky and a little bit hard to peel at times, so peeling that back. Looks like some of the critters are coming off with it. Okay. We got Spiritomb. It's made of 108 spirits. Ready to haunt you. We have a little Ultra Ball, because every trainer needs a Pokeball. Okay. We have Gible, basic form of Cynthia's most iconic Pokemon. Garchomp, pretty good. We have Roselia, and its evolution Roserade. And finally, we have the head honcho, Cynthia herself. Now, the bases come in two different sizes. There's this for the little individual ones, and here's a 3-pack for rearranging as you wish, making little scenes. I think it would be great. Here, I think I'll. Here. I think Gible, Garchomp, and Ultra Ball will look pretty good together. Cynthia. Spiritomb. Roselia. And Roserade. Plus it comes with this really cool looking backdrop, so. Okay. Alright. Okay, I think that's about it for the Cynthia's Garchomp EX Premium Collection. See you next time, something pretty darn cool. Till next time, peace.